Iqbal said, the downfall of a true believer is not due to poverty. Iqbal said, listen again, the downfall of a true believer is not due to poverty. Today, my friends, we blame our governments, we blame our circumstances, we blame our resources. But we forget that the real cause of our downfall lies within ourselves. Our ancestors once ruled the world, not because they were rich, not because they had massive armies, but because they had unshakable faith, unbreakable character, and unquestionable unity. My dear friends, today I stand before you not to discuss the issues, but also implement some of the solutions too. My dear friends, look around us. Today we live in comfort, but not of contentment. We live today in mission, but not of wisdom. Today we have a lot of information, but that information is not used wisely. My friends, today we are here not to discuss the issues, but I am here to elaborate some of the issues, some of the solutions too. My friends and respected audience, Iqbal said, the cause is something else, O believer, than what you think. The cause is something else, O believer, than what you think. The real downfall lies within ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you as a student of Tamirana Ghazali campus. My views today, we blame everyone except ourselves. Respected audience, we follow truth, but in the same case, we follow lies. Everyone speaks truth, but in inner self, they are following lies. Moreover, today, anyone going for the Today, we blame everyone for their unauspicious things, but we are unable to confiscate whatever we have in ourselves. Today, so my dear friends, let us rise again, not with commitment, but with configuration. Today, let us shine again, let us become successful again, not with golds in our hands, not with golds in our hands, but faith and belief in our hearts. Thank you so much.